Jayden supposed to that school. You understand? Until him got the local fast food place. You understand? At that time, you know were on the road, hustling. You understand? So that's now. But where were Shanik at the time?
Shanik and Tommy, that's spiritual. Yes, that's spiritual.
Yeah, but the thing now, you don't know something that's spiritual like that.
When you hear the question there, and L.A. Lewis say at that time, and him say yes, they them there.
All right, so play that little part where you stop right now. Like we hear something.
Yeah, me understand what you're saying. But me carry the bunch of key go with Shanik in a hand right now.
No, I don't think the morning.
Yeah, we don't train just pharmacy.
That's what time.
I'll be telling you,
early in the morning. So, 9 o'clock now, after certain hours.
But my wife and them are still in the hospital with she.
You hear?
Yes.
So,
William, speak up yourself.
No man, when Shanik got the hospital, we were here. When Shanik walked in, I was going to buy a soup. The hospital. So Shanik walked in. I'll be telling you time now really.
So what time you just say you reach at the hospital?
Reach at the hospital maybe about say. You don't want to know that. I tell you say in the evening really that part.
But after 7.
No man, no man. Earlier than man.
Well on there. The part I kind of fumbled up later because if him give her the key, right, him give her the key, so it looks like a more than let them keep leaving the hospital and come back at the hospital and then not talk straight because
3 times.
Tiger, because of visiting hours and that me keep on that
3 times they left the hospital
them
and
couldn't stay at the hospital to hold on price. They could not stay at the hospital all 4 of them the whole time. The hospital has policies. So if you listen to the timing where they say them are go on a leave, is within the time of visiting hours. That's why them keep on a leave and a come back and a leave and a come back. Them never stay at the hospital the whole time, but they make it seem like them they at the hospital throughout the whole day. I use it as alibi.
I be a former double going.
Maybe about saying that
What's the girl name again? Shanik?
You?
What the girl name?
Lawrence Cook.
SHENIQUE?
No, SHENN. I think SHENNEQUE.
Yeah, but the ticket says the ticket says quote on the name for the ticket. That's the thing.
Yeah, quote on the pan it as Shanik Lawrence, the pan her ticket.
Abigail Lawrence.
Shanik Abigail Lawrence. All our middle name to her come up. We never know people are book tickets with all them middle name. I don't know. Shanik Abigail Lawrence.
So maybe I will say. Anyway, after them, the hours say.
After 1:30, they reach hospital.
No man, they reach hospital. Maybe I will say. The hours. Yeah, maybe a little later.
And so just the time we are trying to work. That's a Jayden school over 1 o'clock.
No.
What time? Jayden school over 2:30 Jayden school over, right? And then you just say you reach the school now after the hospital after 3.
Yes.
Yes, and then after you reach the hospital now, the Shanik come in.
Shanik come right because we don't have yes. Shanik walk in chat. That's it.
She walk in at the school, in the hospital.
Oh, John.
Was she at the hospital before you come, or was she come at the hospital after you come?
Okay. It tells us that they just a few minutes before she come.
Alright, so before she come in. So when people look at the time when Jayden from school, and the time when Shanik come at the hospital, because remember, what we were to make sure said the people.
You know, so you see, them a mix up the time, you know. You see how we say, in can Make the report 6:30, 6:45. And the hyena come see him at the hospital. You remember that thing there? You hear what him say look while? Him say he was there a few minutes before she come in. So when me I get from that, so when him left the police station as in claim, it look like he go call himself 15 to 20 minutes get from Newport to Mandeville. So it look like him left the police station and go straight to the hospital then, because he said he was there a few minutes before she come in.
The time I realized the time mixed up from the first time I hear the interview, and that's the reason why, if you guys listen, I was always saying that based on what he's saying, he will be the guilty one because he's the one mixing up all these things. But I don't know.
For me, the whole of them guilty.
That's what it looks like now, because it would have to mean that they're covering for each other.
Yes, so you have to make the thing work.
All of them are work.
No, man, what we have to know now? Alright, between me and you, the four we will come down here. What me and you repeat what I said? Yes, and because they tell them say the mother input in or not. So, no, what me do you know? You know what, the case,
You know, say I come from about 2 or 3 days ago.
I know, because I announced me come across the world. Yes, and so, but
They know.
I the thing what we have to try,
Go on, Smith.
the time space. Because remember, you know, there's somebody who up on the stand here now that doing this shiny being.
Look here,
Yes, sir.
Shani couldn't have no reason to hurt Jayden. And the reason why I tell you Shani couldn't have no reason to hurt Jayden. Shani never to Jayden, I'm going to show you. Let me can talk.
Yes, man.
Shani is a little girl.
Tiger, 1 second, pause 1 second. You see that statement there is when I heard that statement, I signed him off. Because only way you can know for a fact that a person who is not around you didn't see the person is because you know where the person is at the time.
I want to know everything, man. Everything.
You remember how you see how he said he know for a fact that Shanique didn't see Jayden? And yet remember, he's not right there with Jayden at that
And
time.
he can't swear.
So how can I swear that she didn't see him if I don't know where he's
Because
at, or
they
if I
all
didn't
know
have
what
him?
is going on.
So that's the reason why right there,
That's
from
only that
listening
cute
to
girl.
it, that's
If you
why I
was
had
say-
said he was guilty of something.
And that me I said about watch now. If you are saying or Shanique left at some point and go, she can say she left and I go point A and don't go point A and end up at point B. So
Right.
you wouldn't know where she go when she come out of your side. But you are say you can swear fear
Because he had Jayden.
Because exactly, it could be that. It could be very that too.
Shonda,
Jayden
only
in
way
a
he can swear is
position.
because he had Jayden, and he know that probably Shanique never go where Jayden was at that time because he had Jayden. Because I can tell you that I'm gonna go to Spurtree Hill and I went down in Mandeville Town. I see somebody. Instead of going to Spurtree, I went with that person that I see. You don't know the change because I didn't call you back to tell you that I didn't go where I was going. So how you can guarantee and you can say like I know for a fact that she never see him unless he's with me.
I'm gonna tell you this. They couldn't beat Jayden. They couldn't beat Jayden in the area because the neighbor them would have hear. So then carry him go somewhere to do what they have to do. Because somebody would have hear him a ball because house close enough to hear Jayden a ball out in a place. Right? So from nobody no hear no balling. I must somewhere else then take him go do what them a do. I can't the yard. Even if them pick him up at the yard, then carry him somewhere else go do them act. Unless they strangle him in the yard. Strangle him where they hold him and choke him and there's no voice that come out of him. But I can't beat him. Because if you beat him, go ball and him go make noise and somebody go hear. Right? So they had to be strong. If I didn't yard happen, I strangle him to death.
Surprise. what I am feeling from all these things, Mr. T know a lot more than we really,
more.
we
That's why me
really
say
are
he
seeing
learned a lot
are
more.
being told.
And
Because
that's why I say him are the one for can tell we. Him. Cause him are the weakest limb same way.
but how could he know for a fact? This is the thing that beat me. How could he know for a fact that Shanique didn't see Jayden? Because
Shanique.
probably really and truly, probably Shanique didn't see Jayden.
Shanique and Mr. T don't have a good relationship, right? Long time, right? Because of some abuse thing, right? Why is it that everybody becks with Mr. T and Shanique and Demar is the only person talking to Mr. T? And you and Mr. T no good for a long time. Why no?
I feel like them are saying, right now, I feel like other people are not talk to them because they must say, yo, I want to have a problem. I want to make this a come on because I want to do a picnic sitting.
All right. You know, have to just look on it.
It could, you know, Price, it could very much be Demar that did something, you know, and Mr.
Yeah,
T
but
and
as
Mr.
you
T
say-
and Demar, and then because Demar confided in his sister, she will
He
know.
between his sister. And his sister now have to make sure say she take care of things. Then, if you want to put it that way. But the three of them, Mr. T, Demar,
We would have reached we should have done everything by 5:30. The latest she are reaching Amanda, bro.
do a she. That's what I'm talking about. We did up a Perth Road. We did
work. I don't know which part you guys that I found out. I found out that ticket that itinerary, she didn't travel on it. She didn't travel on it. Did you guys find that out?
No, we didn't find that out yet. We just assayed. But we
No, I went and do the research. She didn't travel on it.
okay.
They know. You're sure
Okay.
the vet?
Yeah, but me can't. I stayed over the line.
Yeah, man, no worry yourself.
No worry yourself. We will talk.
Boom!
Him shot.
Yeah, me have it. Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Can screenshot.
Rule number one is it should be in the manual of the guidance. Everything you say, screenshot one time. Screenshot one time. As you see it, screenshot it.
We're not.
I tell you, they said this is premeditated, you know.
Oh, long time price I said that.
You hear what the idiot over here say, Lavally, this morning? That they are rubbish, garbage that they will come out last night. No go so. That are AI. You understand me? An idiot is that they were talk last night. That no match up with nothing. And I said that this morning.
Them no know say top people they on the case, you know.
But
Top
Lava,
people they on the case.
listen, that could have been an itinerary that was really booked. Because
But
there's
never used,
actually,
like I
it
was
could
saying
be
the
a
same
really
thing.
book one, but
Shonda
was
said
the
same thing.
person on it?
Listen to
Was
me.
the person on it?
Yeah, Shonda came out.
Just like how they
Shonda
show it
came out
book
and
and
said
it's paid. Yeah.
that could be one, but she did not use that one. One to the one where she used to come here. That's what Shonda said.
Shonda said.
She could have switched airport as well.
Shonda said.
Shonda said, of course. Shonda said, of course. That's not the right one. There's another one. That's Shonda said that's two. You understand? Shonda says two of them, and that's not the right one. But me said that AI that day.
Wanna see me come out today?
Me tell you this a demon can't change it.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Tiger, read up the case. Go on, Tiger, do a read. Don't bother read me, read everybody else.
Tiger, no get up.